Hi, this is Rohit Perumanla, student ID 2174629. So this video is regarding the explanation of Goldbach conjecture sequence. So it is nothing but it states that every an integer greater than 2 can be expressed as a sum of two primes. So before going to the explanation of the code, let me run the code. So here we are printing the even numbers, even sequence from 4 to 100, and each number is represented as the sum of two prime numbers. So coming to the explanation, so I have used two main functions, which is displaying the introduction, and next one is Goldbach conjecture. So coming to the main function, the Goldbach conjecture, so I'm sending a limit that is 100 here. So after sending that, first we are using two loops. For the first loop, I am starting with the 4, as below 4 or 2 we cannot make it a combination of two primes. So I'm starting with the 4 and the limit is 100, so 100, so we'll go up to the 100, and the step size is 2 as it is even numbers. So I'm saving a variable as a flag equals to false. And the inner loop, so what I'm doing is, as we want the combination two numbers is represented to one number, so looping through the half of the numbers is enough. So I've written from 2 to the half of the number, that is I'm dividing the number with 2 and adding one number, so it will go up to the half of the numbers, half of the iterations. So let's take for the explanation, let's take the number is 12, so we'll go to till 2 to 6, so 2 to the 6 iterations, and we'll start checking if the number is prime or not with the function check prime. So I wrote the simple code to check the prime. And coming to the if condition, so if let's say if we start with the 2 and let's say number is 12, then we start with the 2, we'll check if it is a prime or not, and 12 minus 2 is 10, and if this combination is true, if the condition will be true, then we got the print of the statement in a line. So as 2 and 10 are not primes, I mean 2 is prime and 10 is not prime, so we'll go to the next iteration, that is 3 and 9, that is 3 plus 9 is 12, but 3 is a prime and 9 is not a prime. So we'll go to the next, that is 4 and 8, so both are not prime, so we'll go to the next iteration, that is 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 are the two primes, and the combination of the or sum of these two primes will be 12. Then we're going to print the number as 12 and 2 plus 7. So that is how we this code is going to work. So if we found this, if this condition is true, we are going to make the variable found as true, and we are going to break it, and we'll come out of this inner loop. As soon as the inner loop is breaked, then we come out and we'll check this condition. So if we did not find the primes, then we'll print no two primes is sum to this number given. If not, we'll go to the next one. So that is how we are printing from 4 to 100, that is from 4 to 101, that is 100. So this is how the code is going to work. Thank you.